Hi, I'm Andy from Tackle Tidy and I'm here today to talk about a new product we're releasing and it's based around top kit protection. So more and more, whether you be a match angler or you be a pleasure angler, I think pleasure anglers are carrying multiple top kits, 3, 5 maybe, but match anglers certainly 10 to 15 is not unusual. And anything from 75 to 150 pound per top kit. You know, you open your hard case or whatever you've got and you've got quite a bit of money's worth in there. So certainly myself, fishing with lighter elastics especially, was starting to suffer with elastic becoming chafed and eroded at where the top kit bends, breaks down. So we've come up with a new product for us, and basically it's manufactured in a flexible plastic, not a hard material. And how it works, where the elastic comes through the kit, let's just break it down totally. So we have 2 parts to it. So the centre section where it breaks down, the elastic hooks over a heel and the elastic holds it in there, but the elastic is being protected by an internal heel that's there. So that's that end, and then down at this end, clip onto your main diameter and then push in there, and that is keeping your top kit together and protecting your elastic. Also, we do, with each set, you get 4 hookup bands of 4 diameters, which sit along your top kit there, so that when you're fishing, you change to a different setup, you hook into that and your kit's just held in place in your roost. So I'll just do it again. Top kit together, large band, next one down, all the way down to your smallest, of which I've got to put my glasses on, and then push them down. What I do is I break the kit then, and I set them so they're approximately an equidistance apart. And when you see, then it gives you the best spread for if you're fishing 2 foot deep, 3 foot deep, 4 foot deep. Hopefully you're going to come somewhere near on those. Then once again, over the heel, that's the top in. It's not going to come off, and then larger diameter and in with your top. It's all held nice and firm. Now the second part to these is more and more I've certainly started seeing anglers breaking down at the end of a match, and it's not for everyone this, but it is, I'm seeing it more and more, especially with slapping and mugging, where the rigs tend to always be very similar. They're leaving their rigs on and putting the top kits away with the rigs on. So what we've done is each of these has a set of 4 little tags, each with 2 holes in. And the idea is so this one is typically a slapping rig. If I unhook it, so in this case you just use your hookup band, but if you've got a deeper rig like this one, this is approximately, have a quick look, 3.5 foot deep. So your rig stays on, you come up to the top, the line goes round the heel, the same as where the elastic went, and then you hook finds your next band, which you can move. They're very good. They've got a little range up and down the diameter, and hook in. And away you go. So your rig stays on nice and compact and into your hard case. The hookup bands themselves, there's a small heel, I keep using that word, but it literally is, that you can grab to open it up if you want to just hook straight through. But there's also 4 little half moons. We'll put some close-ups on during the video. 4 little half moons, which give you 4 holes that you can hook into anyway, you know, or through. So yeah, available in all the colours we do in our range, which you can see here. And that's the Tackle Tidy Top Kit Protectors, available to buy on our website. Thank you.